up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Now I'm sure a lot of you are gonna see this and go, you should have just bought a manual. And you're not wrong, but you're not right either. Because the DSG in the Mk7 GTI is so sick. But no one likes flappy paddles. No one likes a floppy, sloppy, doppy, whatever the one a toppy you want to talk about. No one likes it. But what if I told you we could make it better? We could make it way better. And that is where JQ Werks comes in. Let's get back to the garage and get our parts installed. All right, so first things first, huge shout out to JQ Werks for sending out these magnetic paddle shifters. This is going to be one of the greatest upgrades that we throw into our Mk7 GTI. It's JQ Werks Madtrace. You guys have probably heard of this brand before. I haven't seen many people install these on a GTI, only like 2 videos on YouTube, so I'm gonna add to that pool. Go check out JQ Werks. They were kind enough to sponsor part of this video, so big shout out to them. And opening it up, we have a beautifully packaged set of paddle shifters. We'll get to these in a second, but let's get our other little parts and pieces taken out first. So you get 2 different options for your paddles, both carbon fiber. You get the long F1 style and then the little shorter ones. I don't know which ones we should run. Let me know down in the comments which ones you guys prefer, but I think I'm gonna throw in the larger ones first. But anyways, let's keep going. Underneath that, we have a set of hardware and our tools for replacing the paddles if we want to switch them out. It's nice because once we have the actual units installed, we can switch paddles just with a couple screws, which is pretty nice. And finally, the units themselves. It's no little paddle extension or paddle stick-on things that we normally see on cars. These are actual pieces that we're going to be replacing inside the steering wheel. And oh my God, that is just, let's see if you can. That is beautiful. It's gonna be so sick. So I'm gonna get the car in the garage. We're gonna start installing these. It should be a fairly simple thing to do. Just gotta take the airbag off the steering wheel and you know, it should be pretty simple. So let's dive in. Units are out. It was kind of difficult to get everything out. This isn't a how-to, but if you go to Shop Dap's channel, they have a video on getting most of the steering wheel stuff removed like I just did. But we've got the old units right here. You can see it's just a little chipset with some soft contact buttons, and they are springy, but they're not clicky. These, on the other hand, oh, so nice. So everything should go back in. We've got our connector here, connector there, so everything should just bolt right back in, wire it up, get our paddles on. I'm gonna do that once we have the units installed, just so everything's kind of out of the way. But otherwise, really happy with how this is gonna turn out. I think this is gonna be so sick. Everything is installed. The battery's not hooked back up quite yet, but I hope you guys can hear that. It is so satisfying. And I love the carbon fiber. I've been toying with more carbon fiber in this car, like I did the carbon fiber mirror caps, and I like the dry carbon on the interior. This whole steering wheel is like very Clubsport like now. It's got our apex markings and it's got the red stitching, and yeah, new magnetic paddle shifters. So I think all we need to do now is take this thing for a drive. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be so sick. This is so sick. I will tell you right now, the JQ Werks Madtrace paddles, 150% worth it. These are awesome. They feel so good. They're so tactile. You get the sound, you get the feeling. It's just, this is what this car needed. It really feels like it's a higher end performance vehicle now with just the paddles. Oh, it's so nice. I love that. Downshifting. Oh. Oh man, this car is so good. It's a shame that this exhaust is way too aggressive for daily use, because when you're on it, man, it sounds so good. So good. I don't drive this car with the DSG selectors or the paddles very often at all, but I think I'm going to a little bit more now, for sure. Yes! Oh, it's so good. I'm going way too fast right now. I love it. I absolutely love it. Huge shout out to JQ Werks for sending these my way. If you want to check them out, link is down in the description below to get these. If you have a Mk7 Golf or R or GTI or whatever, these should fit just fine. They've also got things for BMW, Porsche, Lotus. I mean, all kinds of different cars. If you want some magnetic paddles to feel like this and just elevate your driving experience, definitely go check out JQ Werks. One of the things I always say with all steering wheel modifications, the more things that you're touching and you can upgrade those, the more fun you will have driving. Doesn't matter if it makes your car faster, louder, whatever. If your steering wheel feels good, if your paddles feel good, if your shift knob feels good, all the little tactile things that you surround yourself with in your car, if you make those better, your driving experience is way better. And the paddle shifters on this car, the ones that I got, they were about $350, but so worth it. Absolutely 100% worth it. If you are tracking your GTI, if you've got a modified GTI, you've already spent money on other things. These you will use every single time you drive the car, and they're 100% worth it. I'm sorry, 150% worth it. Yes, I love it. It's so good. Man, this car is so good. It's dailyable, yet you want to get a little rowdy on the street, you absolutely can. So, final thoughts. I absolutely adore this mod. I was very excited to get it installed, and it is everything that I hoped it would be and more. I mean this genuinely. This is one of the favorite things that I've done to this car, for sure. Just the tactile feel, the click, the force feedback that you get. It really feels like you're driving the car more with the DSG paddles than I did before. Like I said at the beginning, I know it's not a manual. There's no substitute for that. But this helps. This makes it feel more like I am driving this car. The shifts have a pronounced click. There's a shift, there's a feedback, and it's just worth it. I don't know what else to say besides, if you have the money right now, go pick up a set of these, get them installed in just about an hour in your driveway. You only need a couple tools. It's not super hard. It's just a little annoying getting the steering wheel trim off, but outside of that, everything else is super easy, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. So if you guys are loving the GTI videos, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, show some love to the sponsors, and go check out JQ Works and pick up a set for yourself. Tell them that Jack Ralston sent you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, hit subscribe, go down below, leave a comment if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up as well, and I will see you guys in the next one.